guys. We're doing the princess treatment. And no school today for her. She's still recovering, guys. We still got some little humps we got to get over. We might tackle this hair. I don't know. We'll see how she's feeling. But still got a cough. You know, it's getting better day by day. But still got some care. Got to put into the princess. So we'll be kicking it at home. Me, you, and Dad, huh? Yay, Dad's staying home to help Mom. So we're going to be chilling at the house today, guys. But we'll be seeing you guys. You say bye?
Bye.
Bye, guys.